guys, when you just want to just escape the screen time, whether if it's on your phone or your phones, and you just want to escape all the hate and a lot of people who hate on you through the comments and a lot of drama, and you just want to escape that. Well, I'm going to show you how to escape that. The key to doing that is just, there are 3 things that you could escape your screen time from all the nasty hate. 1, go outside, enjoy the fresh air, plant a garden, plant some plants outside, enjoy some beautiful fresh air. Number 2, walk out. I said it, work out, like do yoga. Yoga is the best workout tool you could possibly to escape your screen time. Every day, I'm always on the screen all the time, whether if it's working on editing or if I'm doing graphic edits or I'm doing editing photos for photography. I always need to find my ways to escape all that screen time so I won't get bad eyes or anything, So my point of this is I decided to team up with Gryphon Online Safety for a parental safety for online safety, to keep you guys safe online and on the internet, because there is one bad side of the internet that most kids nowadays need to learn about is the dark side.